Join us as we explore exciting words that begin with the letter D. D. For donut. D. Donut. D. For dragonfly. Can you say dragonfly? And here we have a dove. D. For dove. Can you say dove? Next we have a cute dolphin. D. For dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Here we have a mother duck. D. For duck. Can you say duck? Now we have a dog. D. For dog. Can you say dog? Wow, we have a cute doll here. D. For doll. Can you say doll? Next is a lovely flower daisy. D. For daisy. Can you say daisy? Let's meet the doctor. D. For doctor. Can you say doctor? Oh, we have a dinosaur. D. For dinosaur. Can you say dinosaur? And here is a door. D. For door. Can you say door? Amazing. You're doing really well. Keep on practicing. Thank you for joining our adventure in words that starts with D. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to subscribe for more educational fun. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in our next exciting adventure. Thanks again, and happy learning!